Hey, I'm Jake with Aether Manufacturing. Today, we're very excited to introduce our Autonomous Process Generator, or APG, software. It's a web-based tool that we built that allows anyone to quote complex CNC machine parts with full transparency in just a couple of minutes. All you do is upload a step file. APG analyzes the complex geometries, provides feedback on any DFM issues, creates all of the machining processes, and gives you tiered, transparent pricing all in a couple of minutes. Traditionally, this would take days, weeks, sometimes even months. We view this as the first step in a truly autonomous manufacturing process that will enable us to reshore manufacturing to the US and empower human innovation through iteration speed and also drive dramatic cost reductions. Let me show you how it works. So here we are at quote.aethermfg.com. This is where everything starts. I'm going to get started by uploading a step file. Now what I have here is a complex part that is a nuclear fusion magnet cover. Parts like these make up the future of our critical energy infrastructure and are also just pretty cool to work on. The magic of APG is that we can take even the most complex parts and show you transparently what it would take to actually make that part from process to pricing. We also have no minimum order quantity. Whether you need one part or 1,000, the system quotes it. For engineers building high-mix products like robotics, that matters. You can iterate fast without MOQs locking you into batch sizes that don't match where you are in development. In fact, I'll also take this full bill of materials and upload that for batch processing as well. As you can see, the system pre-processes each file, validates the geometry, and when it's ready, the status shows creating. That means APG has the model in hand and is ready for you to customize it. One thing worth noting is that this is not a black box. Everything you're about to see is transparent. Every operation, every cost driver, every assumption the system makes is visible to you and customizable to meet your exact needs. Now we'll configure the part. First, if you want to configure all of your parts at once without having to get too granular, you can do that. Just choose your material, post-processing method, and part quantity, then hit submit and you're good to go. But let's say that you need to get really specific for something like this nuclear fusion part. You can come in and adjust any of the configurations as needed. You'll see this nice 3D rendering of your part that you can move around and look at. And here's where it gets interesting. APG has a native B-Rep annotation tool. I can click directly on surfaces of the 3D model and add GD&T callouts. You can see we already have almost all of our annotations done, but I'll add the final one here. Because we're working in B-Rep format, the tolerance data isn't just sitting in a PDF or a 2D drawing somewhere. It's stored natively in the model, linked directly to the geometry. That's how APG carries your design intent all the way through to the machining process. No other quoting tool does this. Most tools are working off a flat drawing or making assumptions. We're working off the actual model with your actual requirements attached to it. After about 2 minutes, APG comes back with results. Let me walk you through what you're looking at. First, a full machining simulation. APG has decomposed the part volume, recognized every feature, and laid out a multi-operation machining sequence. Just like tracking your food when you order a pizza from Domino's, you can see exactly how the part will be fixtured and machined. Next, DFM. Feature by feature. If there's a thin wall, a deep pocket, a tight tolerance that's going to drive cost, you can see that here. One of the biggest things about our tool is we provide accurate time estimates for the machining process. So again, no guessing, no wondering, this is fully transparent. This kind of feedback you'd normally wait days for from a contract manufacturer, and you wouldn't know how accurate that feedback was. We also have tiered pricing across volumes, from 5 units all the way to 500 and beyond. Watch this, I'll adjust to a custom quantity. The cost goes up. Not only that, I can see all of the process prices reflect that change immediately. So that's APG, the first step in Aether's fully autonomous manufacturing technology stack. Simply upload your step file, configure your part, get full DFM feedback, all of your machining processes in tiered, transparent pricing in just a couple of minutes. And no waiting days or weeks for a contract manufacturer to get back to you. So give it a try. Go to quote.aethermfg.com and upload your first step file. We built this because we were sick and tired of the slow innovation and iteration process being stuck in these slow cycles that haven't changed in decades. This is how we can unlock innovation through automation. We're very excited to see what you build in APG, and we'll look forward to seeing you there.